Hello there and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, this is your girl Paps and feel so much welcome. In this vlog today, basically what I'll be doing is just showing you the fun activities that the day has to offer. And I'm here to just show you what it takes. We are gonna have a yacht party and that is all I want you guys to see with me. So feel so very much welcome and don't leave until the very end. Cheers. For the record, this yacht party is courtesy of Juvenalis Tourism, a Kenyan agency in Dubai. What a way to feel home away from home. So sit back, relax, and enjoy some Kenyan vibes. And some spectacular views, as you can see. Well, come along. This is the yacht we're gonna be using for the day. No, the white one. We're gonna be using it for the day, and I'm gonna give you a small tour of what it looks like as we get on deck. So stay, don't go away. Well, I'm sure that you two are just amazed by the spectacular views like I am. With me here, I have Betty B. You can check her stories on YouTube as well. A link will be on the description. Don't fail because you'll have a perspective of the same tour on her channel. Moving on, now that we are on deck, how about a quick tour of what the interior looks like? So this is the lower deck, and in a few I'll show you how the upper deck looks like, and that's where the real party is. So things are being set up and we know that it's gonna be a really good day. Here we have the washroom for your personal needs and sanitation requirements. And just close to it, we have a bedroom, and the small door leads to the balcony area that we just saw a few minutes ago. As you can see, someone is already in Slumberland. Oh yeah, you see, you know that person. So I'll be talking about him in a few. But yeah, so look at the views, spectacular, nothing short of that. And we were in for a ride, and this was going to be the match of what we were going to experience. And I'm glad that you are also on board with me and you're gonna have all this goodness. The party is just getting started and we are here at the early birds. So very soon we're going to the upper deck, so stay tuned and let's see what's up there. But before that, a photo session with the tallest Kenyan man, aka the Gen Z Goliath. And behind the wheel is our captain of the day, cruising at only 1 kilometer per hour. Because what's the hurry for? We have 4 hours on this damn yacht.
Shida ya Manchester ni kufungwa fungwa.
And of course, we had our home DJs to just give us that Kenyan vibe. So as I said, it was home away from home, and having people who speak a lot of Swahili, this was heavenly. Of course, not forgetting the MCs. I'm telling you, it was vibe on 100, nothing short of it. An opportunity to watch the sunset too.
What you say?
Man, we are down in Maras, man. We're having a good time. You can see the background, man. Good time around. Hey. See your Wycliffe TV here. Make sure you subscribe, man. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share. It's nothing but good vibes, man.
Amazing DJs of the day, DJ Ray, the only female DJ, DJ Celeste, and DJ Wall, all from the great 254. And because God has been so good and faithful, oh yes, we will sing of the goodness of the Lord all our days.
We are going to celebrate together because it's a Valentine's Day, it's Valentine's week, okay? Tuhesabu 10 up to 0. 10! 9!
7! 6! 5! 4! 4, 3, 2, 1. Just to bring you up to speed, because I know for sure you're wondering what's there, what to celebrate. Well, let me bring you up to speed. So for one, we had so many February babies and we were here to celebrate them. Plus, it was a month of love. Number two, Juvenalis Tourism was celebrating the milestone that they've made so far, and having recently bought their first bus, that was really a great achievement, so we were here to celebrate them. And number three, it was the month of love, and having a cake is a way to share love. And last but not least, what's a party without a cake? You feel me? We've come to the end of this vlog, dear viewer, and I was humbled to have your audience. Until the next time, what we have now is more photo sessions for memories. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!